Hello and welcome to Solutions Review Explorers. I'm Jonathan Paula. Today we're looking at ERP software and why it's vital to your business. ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning, refers to the systems and software packages used by organizations to manage day-to-day business activities, such as accounting, procurement, project management, manufacturing, sales, and/or distribution operations. When Enterprise Resource Planning software first came to market, it was primarily designed for inventory management. Today, ERP systems have evolved to encompass dozens of other back and front-end office operations. In order to fully understand ERP software, it helps to take a step back and consider all the processes required to manage a business, including customer relation management, order management, inventory management, labor management, human resources, accounting and finance, supply chain management, and sales and marketing. ERP systems can help create a more efficient, leaner, better automated, and unified business through advanced technology solutions. Businesses can take advantage of ERP software to collect, store, manage, and communicate data across all functions of the enterprise, thanks to its multitude of features and capabilities, which include process automation, which allows companies to standardize and automate important day-to-day tasks, thereby freeing up time for employees to focus on bigger picture initiatives which may require direct human oversight. Compliance and risk management. Modern ERP systems are built with environmental, information security, and human resource regulations in mind to help you maintain compliance at every stage. Optimized account management allows you to process transactions and generate audit and financial reports, making account processes more accurate, faster, and smoother. ERP software also provides a systematic and uniform flow of business data across all departments within the enterprise with real-time information. This allows executives to make better informed business decisions even faster. And by giving employees access to data from other departments, ERP software also increases collaboration, as users can now see their company's big picture. Databases within ERP software can eliminate redundant tasks like data entry, as the system is able to perform advanced calculations within minutes, greatly increasing business productivity. Performance management tools make it easier for company staff at all levels, from front-end employees to senior managers, to measure their company's performance and understand trends within the business. And lastly, by collecting an organization's shared transactional data from multiple sources, ERP systems can eliminate data duplication and provide data integrity with a single source of truth. Today, ERP software is critical for managing thousands of businesses of all sizes and in all industries. But if you'd like to learn more about Enterprise Resource Planning, click the link below to download our free comprehensive buyer's guide, available exclusively at solutionsreview.com. In the meantime, click or tap the icons on screen to watch a related video or subscribe for future uploads. My name is Jonathan Paula. Thanks for watching.